YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative. How are you guys doing? Thanks for stopping by, and hopefully you'll find something here that you like. I'm a creative members consultant here at DaretoBeCreative, and I'm going to show you a haul that I got, and these items are still available. So I'm going to show you them. Alrighty, so one of the things I got for advisors, they have, now that I'm back in the office again, I thought it would be cute to get me a nice lunch bag. So it's zippered. And as you see, it has plenty of room. Now, it's not thermal. But this is nice because I have a fridge at work and I can put this, it has a nice base. And I can put my lunch in it. And I love it because it's scrap, eat, and repeat. So yeah, I can smell it. Been in that plastic, but so yeah, that is my nice lunch lunch bag. There's a lot of different stuff because the Oktoberfest is coming up. This is a cushion for your seat. It's thick. Now you can open it up. This is for like when you go to a crop and you have to sit on those chairs. God knows them chairs are something else. But, so it has two handles right here. Boom. And it has a zipper so you can take it off if you need to and clean it or whatever. But you can sit on this. So you just have a cushion. But this comes in handy if you're sitting somewhere out in public, at the beach. If you are sitting on a park bench. If you're sitting, at a game or something like that. I just thought it might be something too. If you got a little kid with you, this is a quick way to have a little extra seat for them to sit down in. So, yeah. I don't know how big it was. I didn't even look at the dimensions, but this is over 12 inches, obviously. 12. It's like 15 and a quarter. Probably, it was a rectangle. So it's not squared. Oh, about 15 and a quarter. It doesn't look square, but unless I measured that, I did it real quick. This rectangle look. But anyway, that is, yeah, and it is, how thick is this? Each side is about almost 1.5 inches thick. What is these? I must have we can't measure or something because that looks thicker than 1.5 inches. 2 inches, sorry. Anyway, it's big. You can see my arms, how long it is. Right? Because it's like to my elbow, to my middle finger. So that's that. Then they have one more thing, which I know you can get these anywhere. But they were cute, just for you to clean up in your room. Sorry about the crinkles. These are not just for your craft room. You can use these for your clothes and whatever, but of course you got little bits of paper and all that kind of stuff. So I did get those because I use on my other channel. Well, when I do my Bible sketch notes or something, I'm erasing something. This is like a good one to pick up stuff. So anyway, got that. So then I did get, I had these on back order for a while. I'll show you the paper collection there. And the tools. I did get this. These are the photo trimming templates. These have been out for a minute. They were back in. And these kind of handy. Again, sorry about that noise. Just for some mats, like when you're cutting out your templates for your photos. And they have the size on them. I can get them out. It's like a 4x4. I haven't seen them with the round ones, but 4x3, 3x3, and a 2x2. So these also, like when you're doing a layout, you can lay them down, see where you want your pictures to go. So yeah, I should have got 2 of these. I might get another one. But anyway, so that was nice to finally get that. The photo trimming templates. These are the file sleeves. This is the 12 by 6, 2.5 by 12, and a 5.5 by 5. And I wanted to show you, hold on one second. So these belong in here. And I've shown you this before. This is zippered. And I keep, like, when I print out my, when I punch out my stamps and stuff, and lay out some borders and stuff in here, and embellishments and stuff. But anyway, they have, I didn't get any more of these, but I probably will go back and get some because I already had some 12 by 12 sleeves and the clear. But the 12 by 12, these are the 5.5 by 5.5, and these are the 2 by 12. So it came with those 3 samples, but these are the refills that go in here. So these are the reason why I like these. Again, to help you stay organized. Like I said, this is a 12 by 6. So this is for the borders when they have any extra stamps, not stamps, borders and stuff like that. Like for instance, here's one that can go in here. This doesn't go to paper collection, but I just have some extra prints. Here's another one that I got. I got these on clearance, but they don't necessarily go to paper collection. So I will store them in here. So, you know, that's what these are for. So that is, and it comes in a 5-pack. That is the 6 by 12. Then these are the 2.5 by 12. I like these for border punches. I mean borders that I make for scrapbook layouts. Again, I just showed you those. So you get 5 of those. And that's one of the things I try to make some border punches. I mean borders, excuse me, not border punches, but borders for my layouts, and then I can just put them on the layout to help me scrapbook faster. And then the last one is your 5.5 by 5.5. They're squared. So again, these are great for embellishments that you make. You can stick them in here. Just to hold some alphas, some dyes, anything that you might be doing. If you want to prep for a crop or something like that, or just for a layout that you want to do yourself, or any kind of paper craft, you can put the pieces in here that you need, of course, on both sides as well. So that again goes right along with this, the fill and file system, and of course these are the sleeves for it. And like I said, they also have the 12 by 12. So the last part is I got the last collection, and this one's called the Spark of Magic. Now, a lot of people think of this as more like a Disney themed paper, and I guess you can say that because of the colors and stuff, and yeah, but it's also, you know, even if you haven't been to Disney, which I have, you know, SeaWorld or Busch Gardens or Six Flags or King's Dominion, you know, there's so many different theme parks. But it also could be a fair, state fair, it can be a carnival, it could be a circus, any kind of thing. I also could see your birthday with this paper collection as well, celebration. So it's not limited to that. So, you know, a holiday could be like, you know, 4th of July or something. I don't know. I see a lot of different potential in it, so I don't think you have to be limited to if you don't go to theme parks or anything like that. because it doesn't say that. But anyway, it's called Magic, Sparks of Magic. These are the mats, the variety pack, variety matte pack. But you can also use these to cut these out, make embellishments. Like you can circle that, cut that out, or something like that. Life is better where you're laughing. When you're laughing, because this is vertical and horizontal. And of course, these can be your mats that you want to write on. The journal about what happened. These could be used like Pocket Life, because these were way before Project Life, excuse me. They was selling these, but you can use them for whatever you want to decorate any kind of your memory keeping. And they of course match the colors very nicely to the paper. And I'll show you the tools that go along with it as well. And I'm going through this rather fast, but of course this is also on my website. And the link is in the description box below. So you can use these to mat your pictures, like I said, any kind of paper crafting. You're not limited to scrapbooking if you don't scrapbook. So these are the papers, and then I'll show you the stickers and the other stuff. So this part right here is a 12 by 12 designer paper. You know I had to get it because it had red in it. I didn't get the 4th of July paper because there's too much sparkles on it, like 4th of July stuff. So but it had red in it. I started to get them and then sold out so quick. But I had to get this because I love anything with bold colors in it. Because that's just more my palette. Even though I do pastels, but that's them right there. And I flip them real quick because these are double-sided. Stars, and of course they have them closer up, and that's cameras on that page, and video up too, showing them. If you want to see close up, you can click on the page and actually it'll show you each one of the pages. Link this up there, show you each one of the pages up close. That's pretty. Those different color stars. These are hearts. And those stripes. That could be a nice masculine page as well. And these are circles, and in the background you see little stars. I know it's not coming up probably on the screen as well as it is. And these can be cut into border strips. Yeah, you're not seeing them. As well as this, I'm not sure why I can never get this lighting right. I guess because it's like 12:30 at night. I gotta get to go to work tomorrow. And these have hearts with polka dots in them. And then these nice, you know, like you could use this too for the 4th of July or birthday party because it's got like the sparklers, like a burst. So it just depends on your interpretation of that, how you want to use it. But again, you know, theme park is great, but it doesn't have to be that. If you don't visit theme parks or circus or carnivals or, you know, any kind of events like that outside, it could be a craft show, something. I know it's kind of outdoorsy feel to me, or a masculine look, but you can do this more than one way. So I've only been to, well, my grandson just went to Disney recently last year. Well, no, before COVID. So this is really, really pretty. So this is tone on tone. So this can be used with any paper palette that matches it. And I just love these tones in here. I love the reds, the blacks, and the blues, and the yellows. I think they're just a nice combination. And the taupe. And I will show you those real quick. So this is just like a Swiss dot. And then you can't see it. Now this is circles and stripes. Black, and this is the same print in red. You can see that, and that's the black Swiss dots. I love this check print. and then the yellow Swiss dots. So the pattern just repeats. These are just basic tone-on-tone papers. That beautiful blue, that in yellow, and you know I'm loving this red, and that light blue. It's kind of like a taupe, and that red dot. So I actually may get me another pack of this. I really like this tone-on-tone. I think it's so pretty. So that is the second pack of paper, and then I'm going to show you the stickers and the punches that go along with it, because they do have very different punches. So there's, oh, I forgot, I'll show you that one in a second. This is the Sparks of Magic stickers, and usually they always come in a 3-pack. The first one is always like icons, just different images that I think might go nicely with the paper. And of course these are kind of like theme kind of stuff, you know. And then they have the sentiment page, and these are all the nice stickers. And then they have the border page, and it says let the good times roll. So that's your stickers. Now I do have one other set of stickers. This is, which is for the advisors only. It sold out when the paper came. I already got the paper, showed the paper, but the stickers were sold out. Like, they had just posted. The paper went so fast, but they sometimes gives us, like, you know, a nice deal on the paper and different collections that are not offered to on the website just for advisors. And this was one of them in this color palette. I think it just went so fast. But these are the stickers, so they brought them back. And then that is the border to go along with it. Yeah. And this one is called Modern Moments. So I have that to go with the paper. And then the last thing is the 2 punches. So this is the Border Maker punch. We go to our Border Maker cartridge system. So, and this is what they look like. And this is called Starry, because it's a border punch with stars in them. And you can, I don't know if you can see that. And that cuts into the paper. And then this is the border punch, and this one is called Fairgrounds. And you can see what that looks like. I'm going to open it real quick. I can't never get into anything that's on camera. Wasn't on camera. I can open it, but because I'm on camera, I can't open anything. Always that way. I don't understand that. Or at least for me it is. But I think that is such a unique punch. So you got a castle, and you got a Ferris wheel. So, yeah. You gotta look like a tent. What do you call those? I can't think of the name of it. But anyway, you can use that together. You can cut out pieces of this. But anyway, so it's called Fairgrounds. So that the other tools that I got to go with that paper collection. So that is my haul. If you have any questions about anything or like to see anything, just let me know. I'm demonstrated. But yeah, check out my website if you want anything. If you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, thanks for taking the time to stop by. Check out my channel, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.